I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up your Toyota Sienna. First, always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level, firm surface like concrete to prevent any shifting. Engage the parking brake fully to secure the vehicle. For added safety, place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground, opposite the side you are lifting. This crucial step prevents accidental rolling. Next, locate the designated jack points on your Toyota Sienna. Your owner's manual is the best resource for finding these precise locations, as they can vary slightly by model. Generally, front jack points are found near the front wheels, often on the frame rail. Rear jack points are typically located under the rear axle or a sturdy part of the frame. Using the correct points prevents damage. With the jack points identified, position your jack directly underneath one of them. Ensure the jack head makes full, stable contact with the vehicle's frame or designated lifting point. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle, watching carefully to ensure stability. Continue lifting until the tire you are working on is completely clear of the ground, allowing enough space for your task. Once the vehicle is raised, place sturdy jack stands under the frame rails, close to your jack points for maximum stability. Slowly lower the vehicle onto these jack stands, ensuring it rests securely before removing your jack. This two-point support system is essential for safety when working underneath. Remember to check the description for the link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, as well as other great deals. Finally, reverse the process to lower your Sienna safely back to the ground.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.